see that paint pops out here in the sun. Looks really good. All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. We have 62,715 miles on the odometer. The inside of this car is absolutely gorgeous. Super, super clean. You can just tell how well they took care of everything. Not a bunch of gashes and things like that. It doesn't have a new car smell, but it still smells fresh, like really clean plastic. It's like they never ate in this car. It's very well taken care of. The brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid. A little bit of squeaking, but it is 35, 40 degrees or so outside. Very cold, and have not driven the car yet. Shifts nice and smooth. The steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't shake or shimmy. Hands off the wheel, alignment feels good. A really, really nice driving car. Typical creaks with the convertible top, but it's very subtle. And so far, everything sounds normal, nothing out of the ordinary. And probably even in camera, you're not gonna hear much, but of course with every convertible, you're gonna have a little bit of creaking here and there. This one's very, very subtle. No complaints with the drivability. Brakes feel solid, steering's perfectly straight. Really nothing to pick apart. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. We're gonna do that panel by panel. So I see a couple little scuffs, very minor curb rash, a scratch right there. Now you're gonna see some pitting and wear around that centerpiece. Looking at the tires, date code 2016. Here on the paint, typical swirls and scuffs from everyday washing. You have some rock chips, a little scratch there. That looks good. Little haziness here and there on that lens, but the side mirror looks nice. Typical rock chips, very minor though. Making our way down the door. Got a chip right here. Got a couple touch-up spots there. A few more little chips. Some light scuffs from just kind of getting in and out, it looks like. A few more small chips. Looking at that wheel, typical scuffs. Same thing, you have the little corrosion there. But look in the barrel. That's a really clean barrel. Super cool looking wheel as well. Looking at all that, overall looks good. You can see this is kind of separating a little bit from the backing. Now you can kind of push it in there and lay it back down. It might need some glue though. And it also looks like this cap right here. You can see it is broken, just kind of sitting there. Looking at the lens, overall the clarity's good, a little cloudy, but pretty normal for the age of the car. Once again, typical rock chips. That lens looks good. There's a lot of depth to that paint. It still looks good. Here on the front bumper, you can tell it has been repainted at some point. You're gonna see heavy orange peel. You can see that texture, and then you can see how pretty that is. But it's also damaged. So here on the bottom side, you can see heavy rash, cracks. It's tore it pretty good. You can see all the damage in here. So this thing needs a new front bumper if you're wanting it to be perfect. But you can see the respray. Just a lot of trash in the paint, a lot of orange peel. From a distance though, not as bad. Here on that paint, a couple rock chips, got a larger one right there. Typical scuffs on that wheel. You have a couple rock chips there. A few small rock chips. So far it's a lot of little rock chips just every once in a while. A little bit larger one. That looks good. Minor scuffs here and there on that wheel. Now I do see some gashes right here. It did go through the paint. Look at that deck lid. Typical light scuffs from just everyday washing. That lens looks good. That looks nice. Now keep in mind, we are in really bright lights, so it's going to enhance some of these flaws that you might not see otherwise when you're outside and just kind of walking around the car. Okay, checking out this interior. It is really, really nice. Here on this panel, wood grain's perfect, upper section's nice and clean. Those buttons look good. I mean, you get up close here, you can see how fresh and clean all of this looks. Very little wear. Here on that trim, typical wear from just everyday use, but I don't see a bunch of big gashes or anything. You got your wrinkles. I don't see any rips though. Now you do have some wear here. Looks like this can easily be repaired though. No rips though, but get it re-dyed and you would really not see that. Upper section looks nice. Do see some, I don't know if that's a defect in the leather from the factory, but I see something there, some texture. Otherwise looks good. Steering wheel, really nice. Very light scuffs. That looks good. Some separation on the leather here, just a little bit. Upper section though, let's see, that looks good. Look how clean that is. Beautiful center console area. Really not much to pick apart. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks good. Wood grain's clean. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart on that panel. It looks really good. Here on that trim, I see a little gash. Looking at the seats, typical wear, very light scuffs. That bolster looks good. Very little wear here. Small scuff. Otherwise, that's a really good looking seat. That side of the console, that looks amazing. Now right here, you can see some of that leather is separating. It's very subtle though, you have to really be looking for it, and it's kind of sagging. So you can see typical little imperfections here and there, but otherwise this side looks really, really good. We're just gonna scan through the engine bay here. Upper section looks good. It looks really nice. Very clean. Here on the underhood liner, that's in great condition. Actually, we do have some rips right there, but otherwise the rest of that is really clean. And then now that I'm in the car, you can see the mirror here. It looks like the element burned out. And then just push this button down, and then you're gonna see the top closes automatically. Rolls up all the windows. There you go.